Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Honda City. This is a 5th generation of Honda City. So here you can see the keys of Honda City. So coming to the headlights. So these are the headlights of Honda City, completely LEDs on headlights. So there is no projector of Honda City 5th generation. So here you can see very gorgeous look, and on front here you can see the completely chrome grille and large enough. So this is a Honda badge, and here is a number plate placement. So coming to the fog lamps, so these are the projected and completely LEDs, white LEDs headlights, and here you can see the DRL running. And first is first, let's open the engine boot. So here you can see the engine boot, very nice and attractive look of engine and very powerful engine. I can say this is a piano black finish engine. So this is a petrol version of Honda City 5th generation. So insulation very nice, no hydraulic struts. So coming to the side profile, here you can see completely it has changed from the 4th generation to 5th generation. So very nice look, and somehow it has been differentiated between the Accord and Honda City. So it is looking like same as Accord design. So this is the tire profile of Honda City. The profile of the tire is 185, 55, 16 inches tires these are, and look at this massive alloy wheels, very nice cross cutting and very attractive of alloy wheels. See the gap between the tire profile and the body, very nice. Honda badge. So white finishing of the vehicle. So offer on the vehicle, here you can see the chrome finish, chrome door handles, and one of the coolest feature is there is no need of this button. When you're keeping a hand on the door handle, it will automatically open the doors, so it's a waste of feature. And this car has increased longest and wide and decrease in the height of the vehicle. So coming to the rear, very attractive look. I am very impressed of this Honda City 5th generation. Wow, what a tail lights. It has been same exactly as BMW. So same platform from the BMW and the Honda City. So these are the reflective, very nice design, and see the concentration of the design on the reflectors also very good. And these are the sensors of back. So there are 4 sensors here, you can see in detail. So this is a camera of reverse parking. So number plate placement again, Honda badge, and here you can see the ZX variant iVet, very nice, and LEDs on tail light. I like the tail lights and headlights of this vehicle, very new look, and city badge here. So coming to the boot, large enough boot and very nice capacity of boot also, I can say. So under the boot, spare wheel, here you can see full size spare wheel, 185, 55, 16 inches tires, and very good. And on the spare wheel also it's a alloy wheel, very good and very cross cutting, and it has been fixed in the boot itself. So there is no light and no hydraulic struts. Very nice installation of Honda City here. I like that feature which has been not there in the Honda Amaze. So lights here, camera. So this is the rear profile of Honda City. So coming to the side, here you can see the fuel lid, and Honda City has obviously continued the same lines as compared to 4th generation, 5th generation. This line I like it, very sharp and very reliability line. So coming to the rear, doors are not so strong and somewhat noisy. So build quality is nice, but the sound is somewhat hard. And coming to the handle, doors handle, very nice leather finishing. So power window, chrome door handle, very nice. So very large enough, and 3 people can easily comfortably sit. So white and black finishing of interior, very nice. And platform is very nice, I can say. See the platform, very stiffery side, and I can say as clean platform, and 3 people can easily comfortably they can sit, very nice. Headroom is nice, my height is 5.8, massive enough, and under the support is also very nice, no lacking at all. So knee room is also very nice, here you can see, massive enough. It's a medium, now it has been pushed front to the medium. So scooped out seats, and here magazine holder and somehow compartment in the magazine holder, here you can see. So 2 compartments. Bottle holder is massive enough, 1 liter bottle easily will fix. Speakers are very nice, and bass and the speaker on the each door. So coming to here, 3 headrest, and one disappointing me is that not adjustable of headrest. I don't know why not is adjustable. Center armrest with twin cup holders, very nice, and some more space here. So to keep, so back here you can see the pillow of Honda. So it has been a combination of white and black interior. So one of the best feature is that sunblind of rear, very nice, but it is manually adjustable, but it's enough. So here you can see it's manually adjustable sunblind. So space is also minimum enough of here. So Honda pillow. So 3 people can easily comfortable sit, but this armrest of middle, it has been came some of front, and at the center also here you can see, at the center also here you can see the middle passenger somehow pushed upside of the seat in the middle, and 3 seat belts are very nice reliability. And here in detail here you can see seat belt is fixed, center seat belt as fixed in it. So safety is very important in this car, and safety features are also very good on this car. So 3 seat belts are, and isofix seats, and very nice. I like the cool feature is these lights, LEDs. So here you can see 2 LEDs, and I like the touch of premium feeling of this LEDs, piano black finishing and white LEDs on the interior. And side handles are adjustable, handle holders are adjustable 4 sides. So, and this is sunroof of Honda City 5th generation, and very airy feeling in cabin I can say, and very nice premium touch. From here you can see the dashboard, and very unique design I can say. It has been changed from the 4th generation to 5th generation dashboard. And here you can see the AC vents backside. So 2 charging sockets, there is no cap, yeah it is a cap, sorry for that. So 2 charging sockets, 12-watt charging socket, and here vents for the back. So very nice and comfortable, and see the cushion in the premium seats. I like the cushion, and I like the way of design and color combination. Comfortable I can say, 3 people can travel. Very nice cool feature I can say. I am impressed very lot. And let's go to front and see. So these are door pockets of front, and here you can see the power window. So these are 4 power windows, and these are side view mirror adjustable left and right, and these to close the side view mirror. So here, from here you can see the operate of boot, but I am disappointed very much of this manual adjustable of seats. There is no electric adjustable on seats on this generation also. So door vents are large enough. See the detail here, speaker has fixed here, very nice and neat look. And let's sit inside and see. And coming to here you can see the engine boot open and petrol lid open from here. So 3 pedals, clutch, brake, accelerator and dead pedal has been fixed. So let's sit inside. So door sound is somehow, shutting is somehow hard I can say. So keys I have been placed there. So coming to there, here you can see the color combination between the white and black. I like, it's not a white also, I have mixed some cream in white. I like that cool feature and coolest color. I like that, and premium touch on the dashboard. And here you can see the wood finishing on the dashboard, but plastics are somehow hard and cool I can say, not so hard and soft also. Center armrest, and see the space inside the center armrest. So this is a handbrake, and here you can see the some space to keep the keys, and here also to keep the coins and coin holders 2 sides. So this is a gear lever, and overall dashboard is premium feeling and hairy feeling I can say. So coming to here, glove box is decent enough, and see the leather touch on the dashboard. I like that cool feature, black, white, brown, 3 mixed colors on the dashboard. And air vents design also changed from the 4th generation to 5th generation. And here you can see the air vents, very nice and premium feeling. So this is a 8-inch touchscreen, so I will show you that. So these are the AC vents, automatic auto climate control. Coming to here, detail. So here you can see the twin cup holders and some space to keep mobile, and from here you can see the USB 2 ports and power socket 12-volt charging socket here. And no device connector, please go to Bluetooth settings and connect. Okay, I will be connected that. And it has a Apple CarPlay, Android, and also one more coolest feature is that Honda City app and Honda app that will be connected of this display. And this car has been we can operate 32 cool features, advanced features that can be operated from the app, and app should be downloaded from the Play Store. I have Android and also Apple, so we should be connected that to this device, and we can operate 32 cool features. It has been set from the Honda and has a light here. So here you can see the 8-inch touchscreen. Volume adjustable buttons has been given here. It has to be given some volume adjustable like round. It will be some premium feeling, but I dislike this buttons on this touchscreen. So it has been occupied some space of this device. And apps, okay, settings, so language, display, clock, smartphone, rear camera, and information, model number, application version. And coming to the home, nothing, Bluetooth, USB, radio, phone, apps, settings. So apps should be connected from the phone, so I will be doing that. So now you can see the swipe on the instrument cluster and low fuel indication. Now it has been came. And one of the different feature is that this has manual and this has automatic, and this is a digital and this is manual. So I will show you a difference. There is no difference while seeing, but in detail you has been seen the instrument cluster, there will be difference. So tachometer, range, fuel, speed, time, G meter, settings, customized display information, etc, etc, etc. You can be controlled from here. And volume adjustable buttons on the steering, and this is the home button for the instrument cluster, and source, and these are the call buttons as to control your mobile or while driving, and these are the buttons for that. And coming to the other side, this is a cruise control and reset and set of plus and minus buttons on this, cancel to the cruise control and horn. So there are totally 6 airbags on this car. And very advanced feature is that to take a safety measurements more on this Honda City new 5th generation. So they have been totally ABS, airbags, and cruise control. Here you can see the sunroof, so it's decent enough of sunroof, and it has been coming air cool feeling inside the cabin, so to operate. So here you can see that it has been open, and massive enough of this sunroof. So decent enough, I have seen massive, not so massive also. It's a decent enough of sunroof, and hairy feeling while opening the sunroof. So coolest feature, and auto dimming inside, and these are the controls for the sunroof and doors. So these are the lights, adjustable lights of the front, and this is a volume phone speaker, and very nice. I like the feel inside the cabin. Overall interior I have been like, but I dislike this dashboard design. It has been plain, but compared to the 4th generation to 5th generation, it has been somehow cross cuttings, and it has to be do some drama in Honda City. So I like that. So catching the steering also is cool, and leather finishing of the grab finish of the steering here you can see. So very nice, and black and white combination of this dashboard and seats are very comfortable. And here you can see the cushion, so very nice and premium feeling leather touch finishing on the seats, very nice, comfortable. And headrest of the front is also very nice design and nice. It's also not appeared to the design also, it has also comfortable of seats, very nice. And overall this is a video of Honda City. I have impressed, and I am giving the design and interior of this 10 out of 8 to this vehicle. So very nice. So here you can see the premium wood finishing, and you can see the digital display on AC vents, so AC auto climate control. So these are rear max cool and AC on off button, and I like the premium feel of this. So fan speed here, heat up and cool system is here, and from here you can see the traction control on off button, and from lights adjustable of high beam and low beam of adjustable 3 layers. So overall good, and almost all the features has been fixed in the Honda City new generation. So very nice, and I like the premium feeling. So this is the back seats of the Honda City. So these are the front dashboard, and this is a petrol variant, and it's a manual 6-speed manual Honda City. So this is a walk around and interior of Honda City. So if you till not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram, link in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.